A hands-on video of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 just dropped. Came from a Malaysian retailer, and yeah, it's already gone, deleted, pulled, wiped, but you already know how this works. The internet doesn't forget. Screen recordings spread fast, and everything in that clip is now out there for good. And here's the thing. This isn't some blurry prototype shot or a random factory image. This was a retail unit. Finalized packaging, polished UI, production-ready hardware. That's a very different level of leak, and it tells us a lot about where DJI is in the release cycle right now. Design-wise, don't expect a reinvention. The Pocket 4 keeps the same vertical gimbal form factor the series has always had. And honestly, at this point, that's the right call. It works. What the video actually confirms is the smaller, smarter changes that matter more in real-world use. Those extra physical buttons on the grip, confirmed. Earlier reports said DJI wanted to reduce how often you're digging through menus mid-shoot, and this backs that up. It's a shift toward a more natural shooting experience, less tapping, more filming, but the detail that caught everyone off guard is the built-in LED light. It's sitting right near the camera module, and it's not just glued on. It looks like it's mounted on a small arm with two hinge points, one at the base, one behind the light itself, so you can actually reposition the angle. For night shooting or quick indoor content, that's genuinely useful. No clip-on light, no extra gear, just flip it out and go. The video also flashes a mode called SuperPhoto. If that name sounds familiar, it's because GoPro has been using it for years. On GoPro devices, it works by reading the scene and automatically applying the right processing, HDR, noise reduction, whatever fits, without you touching a setting. If DJI's version works along those lines, it's smart auto-optimization happening in the background while you're focused on the shot. Now, using that name in the same category as GoPro could raise some eyebrows legally, but if DJI is shipping this globally with that branding, the clearance is almost certainly already sorted. Companies at this scale don't miss things like that. The rumored specs we've covered before, so no need to run through all of that again here. What this leak really does is confirm the product is done. The hardware looks final, the software looks polished. Retailers are clearly already holding stock, and with DJI, that's usually the last step before an announcement drops. This isn't speculation anymore. It's not if, it's just a matter of when they decide to make it official.